think Dr. Romano said he'd be out here today working. I hope I find him. I wanted to tell him about a student. Hi, Dr. Romano. How are you?
How are you?
I just wanted to tell you, know what? We've got a student I talked to today who just signed up for your group. His name's Amir from Long Island, and he's taking the test for the second time because he went somewhere else the first time.
Don't tell me he used the time test. We see this all the time. Come along and let's take a look.
Yeah, well, I told Amir he's in the right place now.
I want to go over a really good genetics problem with you. We're going to deal with a disease called alkaptonuria, which is also known as black urine disease. You'll be dealing with this when you get to grad school in the area of biochemistry and maybe in pathology. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to see a lack of a key enzyme, and that enzyme is known as homogentisate dioxygenase. Now, that's a big name, so often we just call it HGDase. So I'm going to call it HGDase, and what happens is we see a mutation or a defect in the HGD gene. Now, it manifests itself as an autosomal recessive disorder. Now, what we're going to do is we see a buildup of what's known as homogentisic acid, and this acid can damage bone and cartilage, and there's associated heart and kidney problems associated with it. For the DAT exam or the OAT, though, let's do a problem on this, pathology. A man with this disease has a child with a carrier woman. What percent of the children have this disorder? What we're going to do is set up a Punnett square. We're going to let a dot mean there's the disease gene. So the man has the disease, so that means you need 2 copies if it's autosomal recessive. As you can see from over here, disease means you have 2 copies, so I put 2 dots on each autosome. A carrier is represented only with a single dot. So what we have here is we have the man who's got the pathology, and we have the woman who's the carrier. When we do the Punnett square, as you can see, we get A dot, A dot, A dot, A dot, A dot, and A dot A. So just by looking at this, you can see that we have 2 out of the 4 children have the disease, so the correct answer would be 50%. 50% have the disease, and 50% will be carriers. That's a type of question that you'll be experiencing on the DAT and the OAT exam, even the MCAT. Don't get carried away by the name of the fancy-sounding diseases. There's a lot of different diseases that are autosomal recessive. PKU, galactosemia are among those different types. The key thing is to understand the concepts and work through the problems. Learn the concepts, guys. Don't be sucking in on any time exam. That's just going to be the road to a retake. All right, I hope this helps, and I'll be making many, many more free videos, as well as free math with Professor Blois in the upcoming lecture series. All right, good day to you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Dr. Romano, I'm going to go get some donuts and coffee. You look like you need something to eat. Want me to bring you some?
Actually, I just ran 6 miles. Maybe you should do the same. Good day to you.
Okay, Dr. Romano, good day to you, sir. I'm going for my donuts.